Shooting this video in the morning, so I'd say good morning, guys. Welcome to another video on Cloud Adventure. So let's get straight to it. I want to show you how to use GCP's Cloud Build to build Docker images. So I've titled this Working with Cloud Build. I'm using Quick Labs to do this demo. So let's get straight to it. The first thing is you want to be sure that your Cloud Build API is enabled. If it's disabled, it won't work. So this is enabled and it works fine for me. So next thing is want to open container images. Let's do that. So we want to open Cloud Build. Then we also want to open Container Registry. So I'm going to delete this images because I've done a tutorial already. I'm going to delete this. Then this is my Cloud Build history. I've done one already. So let's leave it at that. So what do we do? First thing is I want to create I want to create a quick start file. So let's look at this quick start. So I already have a file here already. Let me just modify that file. So I'm using the content I have here. Then we'll have a Docker file. So this is fine. Then you need to run this command to build your Docker image using Cloud Build. This dot signifies that we want to build all the source code in the present working directory that we're in. So it will look for your Docker file and work with the Docker file as an instruction for building the layers. Okay, it's working. This is the first layer from our file. It starts from the topmost, copies the next layer, then executes this command. So I was able to execute the command. That's on. So let's check our Cloud Build. We should see the second one. Yeah, this is the second build just now. As you can see, if we look at our repository, we'll see the latest image. And good thing is that there's no vulnerabilities. This is one of the features I love about Google Cloud Platform. You can automatically scan your Docker containers to confirm if you have some level of vulnerabilities in it. So basically, that's how to use uh, GCP Cloud Build to build Docker images. Thank you for watching. To another episode of building Docker containers with GCP Cloud Build. This is part 2 of the video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to build custom configuration files. So you can also build your containers using configuration file and Cloud Build. So let's see what we have in this directory. We have Cloud Build YAML. The configuration file is usually should be saved in your Cloud Build YAML file. It has all the instruction. Then what we just do is run this command that you have right here on my Sublime screen. So if you look at what I have in the directory, there's Docker file, there's the bash script that I've written. So if you execute this command, it's building. building. Yeah, so you can see the build is successful. Let's check our cloud build history. We should see some. Okay, so there's a new build that happened just now. In the part one video, we built directly with a command line, but this time around we are using a configuration file to build as well. So you can add a lot of variables. So let's see, we should have another one just now. This is what we just built. So thanks for watching.